When to calculate resistance, you need to know what the potential difference and the current is in a circuit. So the equation that you can use to calculate resistance is shown below. So we've got voltage is equal to current times by resistance. So voltage, so potential difference is measured in volts, current is measured in amps, and resistance is measured in ohms. So we can rearrange this equation to work out the resistance by voltage divided by current is equal to resistance. So if we just have a quick look at this example, so if a filament bulb has a current of 0.2 amps running through it with a potential of 5 volts, what is its resistance? So we start off with our equation voltage is equal to current times resistance. We rearrange that to voltage divided by current gives us resistance. So we've got 5 volts divided by 0.2 amps, which gives us 25 ohms, which will be the resistance. We can also work out resistance from a graph. So we can use this graph to determine the resistance of a component at 12 volts. So if we start off with a graph that looks something like this, it shows us what the potential difference and the current is. So if we're working it out for 12 volts, you'd go and read up from 12 volts, then across to the current side, and we can see that with a potential difference of 12 volts, the current is 6 amps. We can then go and plug these values into our equations. So like we've just said, when the voltage is 12 volts, the current is 6 amps. So we can rearrange our equations. So resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. So we're going to have 12 divided by 6, which means that the resistance would be 2 ohms for this component.